Well, by default, customization means communication, right? You have to know what you're doing, what you're customizing to begin with. And so inherently that means internet connected or network connected kind of assembly lines, right? That's just a default. So by virtue of having a custom thing, it isn't just a machine that you can unplug from the internet and it does the same thing a million times a day. It makes paper clips, right? Is you need to give it the information to say, this is the customization that has to be done. It's going to be a different size, it's going to be different shapes, it's going to be a different color. And so they are internet connected things by default of that process. And then what we're also seeing behind the scenes in these complex factories is that you need to have all the parts of that ecosystem have to be connected as well. So if you have, bins, for example, with different color selections, and you may not be able to behind that station normally you just have 1,000 of that item. Well, now you have 20 of that item. So you're going to put, whatever, 50 of each one, and you still have 1,000 things behind you, but you only have 50 of each now, is that as stocks run low, because maybe certain colors are more popular than others, that needs to get restocked. So is that its own little kind of miniature robot that's going to have to get replaced, or do you have a human worker come over and replace it? All of this requires overhead and communication and logistics. Another one has to be fetched. Another one, that tray has to go back to get refilled. And fundamentally, these all have to participate in the ecosystem. And once you have an ecosystem of anything, an ecosystem of humans, an ecosystem of robotic, production line machines, is you need communication. And that's why you need, essentially an internet of things. They all are communicating with one another to participate in production of that good. It's just not possible without IoT.